Assalamualaikum, Bismillah, and good morning to everyone. Today I would like to do a presentation in subject DUE50032 for Communicative English 3. For this subject, I'm from DKM5C for this SEM. Okay, I will be presenting about ICT access by household in Malaysia 2018 and 2019. By the way, I will to introduce about myself. My name is Danish bin Ahmad. My metric number is 06DKM5C1074. This presentation is prepared by Danish and Ahmad bin Ashuddin is my pair for this group. The metric number is 06DKM5C1087. And this presentation is prepared for Encik Ibrahim bin Ahmad. Okay, for this slide, for the outline, I will to continue explain about the outline in the presentation. In our presentation, I will start with introduction that have a background, objective, and also have a data to explain all about ICT access by household in Malaysia. Before that, I want to explain about the graph that have be chosen with a suitable table. Okay, next for this slide, we can see about the background ICT access in Malaysia household. ICT in the introduction, I want to show that the background about ICT access. ICT access always frequently used in Malaysia is first mobile phone, internet, and pay TV channel. For the next, other access that can use first television, computer, radio, and fixed line telephone. Okay, next, some importance of ICT is ICT has proven to be an effective tool at increasing awareness of household. Okay, such as we can use the energy issues and the ability to make more informed about the energy choice be chosen the ICT of access. For the specification of ICT can adaptation to this rule, undergoing intensive to choose whatever or anything in this topic about ICT access. Okay, for the next slide about objective ICT access in Malaysia household. First objective from this slide, to appreciate the beauty and diversity of the learner. Okay, for example, ICT can help student in the active and individual learning to help student. Like, for example, focus on the study. Okay. Second, from this slide, to put learning in the hand of the user of the learner. It can be used the ICT access in the some duration. Okay, third about objective is to easily communicate with each other without interference. Okay, with media social, we can use any application like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and another else. Then that to communicate with each other, and in it can be combined the user. Okay, the next from this slide, to create awareness about appropriate for the objective. For example, ICT public to all social media and graphic successful to achieve a target in the some awareness. Okay, for the last about objective, ICT access in Malaysia to provide internet access facility via entrepreneurship program. Can help and others can join entrepreneurship or business for the take explanation or knowledge about the internet access. Okay, next slide, I will introduce about the data that we have chosen at set data for in the list data. As everyone can see about this data, for this slide has shown the comparison between the year and the type about ICT access in Malaysia. Okay, overall from this slide or from this data have shown a percentage of the data, and we can explain how to doing the graph, and we can help to understand for everyone about this data.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad. My matrix ID is 06DKM5C. So today I would like to continue the presentation from my partner Ahmad, Danish, and about the table of ICT household access in Malaysia. So in my part, I would like to show you the table that we have got from the graph and assignment that given from our lecture. So our table is about the table of ICT household access in Malaysia that contain one table and have a 3 column, which is the year, the type of ICT access, the percentage of usage of the both 2 years from 2018 and 2019. So the type of ICT access that I have in our table is mobile phone, internet, computer, pay TV channel, television, radio, and fixed line telephone. As you can see behind my back is a graph of ICT household access in Malaysia, and the first one that I would like to elaborate to you guys is the mobile phone graph that have the percentage of usage for both 2 years, which is 2018, has the same amount of value, which is 98.2. And the second one we have here is internet, and at this internet part, on the year of 2018 we have 87 amount, and it can increase a little bit at the year of 2019 at 90.1. And the third part is the computer, and at the computer we have the 71.7 on 2018, and it is decreasing a little bit at the year of 2018 from 71.7 to 71.3. So the fourth part is the pay TV channel, which is we have at the year of 2018 73.1, and it slightly increased at the year of 2019 to 75.8. And at the fifth part of this graph is the television, and at the year of 2018 it is 98.6, and it slightly decreased to 97.6. So the second last part we have the radio, which is 95.7 at the year of 2018, and it slightly increased to 97.2 at the year of 2019. So the last part we have here is the fixed line telephone at the 26.5 at the year of 2018, and it slightly decreased to 23.5 numbers at the year of 2019, which according to my opinion, the fixed line telephone have a low number in Malaysia household, is because of in Malaysia the usage of the fixed line telephone has been decreased year and year because of the modern style mobile phone and others. So the conclusion that we have here from the graph that we made, both of us, and we have some suggestion for the government role. And for the government role, they should offer a unique opportunity for governing elite to overcome the crisis of the representative democracy, as ICT and the internet empower civil society to play its role more effectively and facilitate the performance. And yeah, that's all from me, from both of us. And thank you.